Flash can consistently and reliably play audio across a wide variety of computer platforms and environments. Flash also works with a variety of different sound formats, including WAV, AIFF, and MP3 files. You can even load and stream external ACC files using the NetStream class, which can also be used to stream external video files. When you consider that the Flash player is also the most pervasive plugin available on the internet, it's no wonder that many consider Flash the best choice for delivering sound on a website. Using sound in Flash is easy, however, understanding when and how to use audio in a Flash project is not as simple and will be a very important skill to acquire for any interactive web designer. Certainly not all projects require or benefit from sound, but those that do have a stronger impact on your audience. Ambient sound can be used to set the mood for a multimedia project, while other sounds can be used to reinforce usability, such as button sounds or user-triggered sounds. Sounds can also be the main content of a site, especially music sites or sites for bands or musical acts. One of the biggest complaints about audio within a website occurs when the user has no control over the sound. This is a design flaw when dealing with ambient sounds or musical tracks that play in the background, and can also be an issue with simple sounds such as button sound effects. We'll be working with several new classes and objects in this section of the tutorial on working with sound in ActionScript. We'll use the sound class to get access to audio information. Once the sound starts playing, the Flash player gives you access to a sound channel object, which we'll use to control audio playback of a single sound. Each individual sound that's playing uses its own sound channel object for playback control. The combined output of all the sound channel objects mixed together is what actually plays over the computer speakers of the user. So to control this mixed output, we'll use the sound mixer class. In summary, here's a list of the types of tasks that you'll be routinely performing when controlling sound playback in Flash using ActionScript 3.0. You'll be loading external MP3 files and tracking their loading progress, playing, pausing, resuming, and stopping sounds, playing streaming sounds while they're being loaded, manipulating sound volume and panning. Panning is the movement across the left and right channels of the sound, retrieving ID3 metadata from an MP3 file, and capturing and replaying sound input from a user's microphone. Now, this chapter of the tutorial will give you a solid understanding of most of the items on this list, and we'll be focusing on how to control audio playback using ActionScript, including reviewing scripts for playing, pausing, and stopping sound, setting sound volume, and reading metadata from sound files. Let's now move on to the next movie and take a quick look at the projects that you'll be completing in this section of the tutorial, and also get a preview at the various code you'll be working with.